welcome back. I got my boxycharm premium finally, and I'm here to show you what I got. So, number one, and I'm sorry my camera's so close. I'm in a different area today shooting because I got the window and natural light coming through. The first thing I got is the Viseart Professional Makeup Palette. A palette that embodies 12 matte shades, ideal for accentuating, sculpting, and creating striking reflective beauty. This sumptuous shadow collection descends from the iconic Neutral Mattes palette and is inspired by the concept of milieu, centeredness in your environment. Add depth, dimension, and intensity to any look with this luxurious assortment of neutral hues from pale chiffon to warm cocoa and fuchsia daffodil that complements all skin tones beautifully. $80. But this is it. I actually used it on my eyes today. The shimmer is from the Ciate Editor's Palette, but the pink and the nudes are from the Viseart. And this is what it looks like. This is it. It's very, very pigmented. I'll swatch what I did. I did this one. I mean, they are super pigmented. What else did I use? I use this one right here. Let's see, swatch it on my hand for you. And they blend beautifully. All right, and then this pink. And this is it. Can you see this one up here? It's kind of my skin tone, but I mean, and if you look, it like blends beautifully. Like you can blend it with your finger. See how that blends? I mean, it's a beautiful palette. It does have kickback in the pans. That's my cuckoo clock going off. Excuse that. But it blends beautifully. I like it. I'll see if I can do some neutral looks with this without the pink. But I had to try it out. Oh, you know what? Let's swatch this blue right here. This blue. That's it on my finger. I mean, they are pigmented. And you can kind of blend it out. It's really pretty palette. I enjoyed it. And I'll use it some more. I don't know if I would repurchase it for $80. But I'll use it. Okay, up next is the Elemis Peptide Plumping Pillow Facial, which I'm going to try this one out tonight. I haven't opened it yet. This super cooling gel mask glides onto the skin, creating a biomimic veil that is clinically proven to lock in moisture. I don't have my glasses. Leaving skin looking younger and feeling plumped with moisture upon waking. $65. Let's check it out. I'm excited. Comes with a little pamphlet. Ooh, okay. So this is it. I'm trying to get rid of the Elemis. When you open it, it has this, which you have to... Oh. This is the color of it. I feel like I'm stuffed. It smells good. Let's see. Let's try it here. It does feel cooling. feels nice though. Really soft, silky almost. Anything that locks in moisture for my dry skin, I'm all for. Y'all know that. I am. Oh, this glare is terrible. I hope it's. We'll see when I edit. All right. Next is True Luscious Lucky Glow Palette. Oh gosh, this is it. I got it out, used it on my face. Let me see. Open. It does come with a mirror. And hold on. I tried it out. I used this for blush, and I tried the bronzers, and I like the highlight, a little bit. This was my favorite highlight, but I didn't get much. As you can see, I went over my face with the Hourglass, and I got that Pure face palette I got in, I think it was my Boxy Lux, that I went over everything, and the bronzer was way too light for me. It didn't show up, so yeah. I had to get my Park Avenue Princess bronzer out. But let's check it out. So that's the blush. I was really curious about this highlight. Let's see. That's that highlight. The light highlight. Let's see. This middle one. It's that one. And then what's... Alright, so these are the highlights in the palette. They look pretty, but I don't know. They didn't do it for me. Because I'm a medium skin tone, so things have a hard time showing up on my skin. Like, here. Let's swatch the bronzers. They were like it was my skin tone. Yeah, they didn't show, as you can see, didn't show up on me at all. It's the same tone. I could use this as like a powder foundation. But it's beautiful. It feels soft. This Anytime Anywhere Summer Essentials palette features ultra-fine textures and pure pigments in a sheer base to create a veil of luminous, silk-loving color, where each luminous handcrafted shade alone are blended together for a customized look. $48. And that is for this. And it just wasn't my favorite. I'll have to see if somebody, well, everyone in my family is Italian, so I'll have to see, maybe one of my friends would like with this, that would show up on their skin, because it doesn't show up on mine at all. All right, next, Fenty Beauty. I haven't even looked at this. Mademoiselle Plush Lip Matte Lipstick. High Octane Pigment meets Unexpected. What shade did I get? What is this? Oh, purple. I don't wear purple, but this will be fun. Shades to complement all moods and skin tones. $18. I got one of their nudes before, which I liked. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's purple, girl. And I don't know if you can see it. It has a little Fenty Beauty sign. But yeah, $18. This is cute. I do like the formula. I'm just not fond of the shade. Next is Crown brushes. All eyes on you. 5-piece Luxie brush sets. $34.95. I used them on today's eye look. Again, I don't know if you can. This is what they look like. They're very, very, very soft. They're a bit big for my eye. I don't know if you see, it's big. I like this for packing on the color. And the pencil brush. These two were my favorite. Oh, I got to sneeze. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. But they were all very soft. They did the job. I liked them a lot. They're just a bit big. These two are just a bit big for my eye. But I did like them, and I could find other uses for these. It's got the gold. Or is this a rose? No, it's gold. Crown. It says crown on it. White handle. $34.95 for those. So there's that. I did enjoy it a lot. Next up is the Elizabeth, which I've never heard of this brand. Elizabeth Mott It's So Big Volumizing Mascara. So, the volumizing mascara of your dreams. Mega Volume Long Lash Max Curl Mascara. Lasts all day with no smudges. It features flexible tubing polymers that coat each lash, making it water, tear, and sweat resistant to hold lashes in place all day. $22. And I used it today. This is it. I don't know if you can see my lashes. Can you? Right here. It lengthened them. It curled them. I'm not fond of the... I don't know if I like the formula. I'd have to try it again. There's the wand. I liked the wand. It did good. It did really good on my bottom lashes. It seemed like a little bit of a drier formula, which I'm picky when it comes to my mascara formulas. I kind of like it in between. I don't like them wet, but I don't like them dry. I like it in between. I usually get the wet ones, and then I'll leave them like... I'll open them, check it out, the wand, make sure I like the wand, and then I'll leave it sit for like 2 to 3 weeks, and it gets to that perfect consistency that I like on my mascaras. So that's it for this is my premium box, and it is the total is $263.95. And I guess the theme for this month is bubbles and glitz, and I got a volume 3. Focus. Are you going to focus? No? Okay. But I got volume 3. Other than the True and Luscious palette, I liked everything. Even the Fenty lip, I'm sure I could find something to do with that. The color. I liked everything. I thought it was good. So that's it for this month's premium, and I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Bye.